Classify each of the following on the basis of their atomicity. So atomicity, we have to classify them. So let us make first F2. So F2 means how many atoms are there? F2, how many atoms are there? 2 atoms are there. So it is a what? Diatomic. Next, NO2, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 is there. So 3 means what? Triatomic.
Triatomic.
N2O, 3. Tri. C2H6. 2 plus 6, totally 8. So what is that?
Octet.
Polyatomic. Okay. You take octa, not required. You take poly. Next, P4. P4. Tetra. Next, H2O2. It is also tetra. Or you can write poly. You can write poly. More than 3, you write better, you write poly. That is better. Okay. Next, P4H O10. Totally 14. Yes, please. Polyatomic. Okay. So the exactly if you want it, you can write it tetradeca. Tetradeca atomic. Tetra means P4, deca means TP10. That is next O3 triatomic, HCl 2 diatomic, CH4 5 pentaatomic. Penta also we can say is what? Poly. Helium 1. 1 means what? Monoatomic. Ag means what? Everybody. Ag silver. Silver monoatomic. Okay. Yeah, do it everybody. Completed?
Sir.
Mr. Darshan, join with the number. Kavya, absent. Kavya, somebody call. Pranav also.
Completed, sir.
Do it. Next, you are provided with a fine white color powder, which is either sugar or salt. How would you identify it without tasting? Anybody? How would you identify without tasting? All of you? Yes, please. Ra? What Ra? Burning test, right? Burning test. Physical nature, both are same only. Understand, Ra? English? Physical is same. You cannot identify. Purima? Yes. Clear, everybody? So, burning test. What is the test? Right, everyone? If it gives golden yellow flame, if take one spatula theorema, chemistry lab you might be seeing, small like a spoon, spatula. Do you all remember, everybody? Yes. So take the spatula and you put one substance. So if you burn it with the help of a Bunsen burner, so if it will give a golden yellow flame. What flame? If golden yellow flame, golden yellow flame, okay, then it is NaCl. Then it is NaCl. Okay, Kavya. Yes. So it is NaCl. All of you remember, if you burn it, if it gives golden yellow flame, then what will happen? It is a what? NaCl. Why sir NaCl? Because remember, sodium plus Na plus ions give golden yellow flame. Golden yellow flame on burning. Next, sugar. How you identify sugar? Sugar, if it will turns into charred. Charred means blackish on burning. That is what. If it is charred means turn up into black. Charred on burning, then it is a sugar. Purima, ellame. Do you all understand, everybody? It will turn up into mud, like a black mud. That is what we used to say is basically sugar. Okay, guys? All of you? Yes, please. Next. Calculate the number of moles of magnesium present in a magnesium ribbon weighing 12 grams. Molar atomic mass of magnesium is 24 grams. So given mass is 12 grams. Magnesium ribbon means magnesium only. And molar mass is 24 gram per mole. So they are asking now number of moles. Number of moles is equals to what? Given mass divided by molar mass. Given mass is 12 grams. Molar mass is 24 gram per mole. So gram will get cancelled. 12 ones are 12 twos are. So 0.5 moles. How many moles, everybody?
0.5 moles.
0.5 moles. That's clear, everyone? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Clear, everyone? Next question. Verify by calculating that, long answer questions, 5 moles of CO2 and 5 moles of H2O do not have the same mass. Verify by calculating. Mass, we have to find it. So let us find the first 5 moles of CO2. So first I am talking about CO2. What is the N? N is equals to what? Speak, guys. Number of moles. How much? 5.
5.
Next, water. Water is also a number of moles. How much, Amma? 5.
5.
Now,
5 moles.
they are asking mass. Mass means you have to calculate immediately another thing. Immediately. What is that? Anybody? Mass,
Molar
if you want
mass.
to calculate, you have to calculate molar mass. So what is the molar mass of CO2? 1 into 12 plus 2 into 16, which is equals to 12 plus 32, which is equals to what? Speak, guys. 44
44
gram per
gram.
mole. Yes. Same way, water. What is the molar mass of water? 2
18
into
gram
1
per
plus
mole.
1 into 16, which is equals to 2 plus 16, which is equals to
18
18
gram per
gram per
mole.
mole. Alfin, are you doing? Kavya, Agalya? So that's all it is now. Mass we have to verify. So what is the mass? N is equals to given mass divided by molar mass. So given mass is equals to moles into molar mass. So here also given mass is equals to moles into molar mass. So substitute everybody. Given mass, moles is 5, molar mass is 44. So which is equals to 44 into 5. 44 5s. Without touching the pen, anybody can tell? I will say, you see. 40, let me imagine 40. 5 fours are 20. 200 plus 5 fours are 20. How much answer? 220.
220.
Next here also. 5 into 18. Without touching a pen, everybody tell me. How much?
90.
90. Very good. 90 grams. So is it both are same?
No, sir.
No. Who is having more? Whose mass is more?
CO2.
CO2, carbon dioxide. Next. 240 grams of calcium and 240 grams of magnesium elements have a mole ratio of 3 is to 5. Verify by calculating mole ratio of 3 is to 5. 3 is to 5. So now they are asking, we have to verify who is having more number of moles. Okay. So mole ratio, we have to verify that mole ratio is 3 is to 5. So let us make it now. Mole ratio they're asking means number of moles of calcium and number of moles of magnesium. If I do the ratio, I'll get how much, guys? 3 by 5. I have to get it. So let us find it now. So first one, what is the mass of calcium? Mass of calcium, 240 grams. Okay. Next, molar mass. What is the molar mass of calcium? Calcium, molar mass. Calcium molar mass, 40.
40 gram per
Yes, 40 moles. Then number of moles of calcium is equals to given mass divided by molar mass. So 240 divided by 40. Evalama answer. How many moles?
6
Six
mole.
Mole.
Very good. Next, 240 grams of magnesium. Speak everybody. Magnesium given mass is 240. Molar mass, how much ma? Molar mass of magnesium 24.
240 gram.
Yeah. So number of moles is equals to given mass divided by molar mass. So 240 divided by 24, which is equals how many moles?
10 moles.
10 moles.
10 moles. So ratio tell me what is the ratio? So number of moles of calcium divided by number of moles of magnesium is equals to 6 by 10. 2 3s are 2 5s are. So what is the answer?
3:5.
Verified or not? Verified or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Clear everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do it everyone. Any doubt anybody can ask? Understand everyone? Say yes, good question. Is it right, everyone? It's a nice question actually. So please learn. Next, find the ratio by mass. Ratio by mass. Last offline class we have done. I think many of you are familiar. Combining the elements in the following compounds. CaCO3, CaCO3, calcium carbonate, CaCO3, calcium carbonate. What is the elements, everybody? Ca, carbon, and oxygen.
Oh.
Yes. So what is the calcium atomic mass? Calcium atomic mass
40.
40. Carbon atomic mass 12. Oxygen 3 are there. 3 into 16. 3 into 16, 48. Purima.
48.
So divide with the what? 4 table. Everything with the 4 table it will divide. So what is that? Yes, please. 10, 3, and 12.
And 12.
That's all. That is the ratio. Okay, wow. Understand everybody? Girls. Prardhana doing Mr. Lingesh, Kishore. 10 is to 3 is to 12. Next, C2H5OH. So what is the elements? What is the elements? C is to H is to O. Carbon renderika. 2 into 12. How much?
24.
2 into 12. 24.
24.
Hydrogen 5 plus 1. 6. 6 into 1. 6. Oxygen only 1. 1 means only 12. Understanding? So what is the answer? Sorry, oxygen 16, correct?
16, sir.
Yeah. Now divide with some table. Ellame divide with a render table. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 12s are 2 ones are 2 3s are 2 ones are 2 8s are. That is the answer. 12 is to 3 is to 8. Okay, wa? Everybody? Next, magnesium chloride. Mg. Mg is to Cl. Mg is how much? Mg is how much?
24.
24. Cl. 2 are there. So 31.5.
71.
71. No division. Over. H2SO4. H is 2. S is 2. O. So H. 2 erika. 2 into 1. 2. S. 1 erika. 1 into H value how much? Yes. S value. 32 is 2. Oxygen 4 erika. 4 6 16 4s are 64. Divide with the 2 table. Divide with the 2 table. 1, 16, 32. Okay, wa? Ellame. Any doubt? Anybody can ask. Clear, ma? Shivani, doing Abhirami, Niroshi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, do it, everybody. Prithvi completed. Sam, Darshana. Yeah, next. NH3, ammonia. N is to H. Now, Mr. Mukesh Kalyan will say. Mukesh, can you tell me, Mukesh, nitrogen atomic mass, Mukesh? I'm expecting. Nitrogen atomic mass 14. Hydrogen, 3 erika. So 1 is to 3. sorry, 1 into 3, 3 only, over. Calcium hydroxide, calcium is 2. Oxygen hydrogen also 2. So oxygen is 2 hydrogen. So calcium atomic mass 40, oxygen 2 are there. 2 are there. 2 into 16. 2 into 16, how much?
32.
32. Hydrogens 2 are there. 1 into 2, 2. So divide everything with the 2 table. What will happen? 20 is 2, 16 is 2, 1.
16 is to
Over. Solve everyone. Very, very important question. Like this question also can ask in exam. Completed? Anyone having any doubt? You can ask. Everybody clear? All of you? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question is very important. If like it is says like you must have a more knowledge only you can solve. So otherwise it is not. So let us see that now. Next question. Calcium chloride when dissolved in water dissociates into its ions according to the following equation. CaCl2 turn up into Ca2 plus 2Cl minus. Balancing equation. Balancing equation now not required. You will listen, girl. Later I will say. CaCl2 gives you Ca2 plus 2Cl minus. Calculate the number of ions obtained from CaCl2 when 222 grams of its dissolved in water. 222 grams of it is dissolved in water. They are asking. So let us see that now. If you all observe that CaCl2, calcium chloride, CaCl2. So what is the molar mass? First tell me everybody. What is the molar mass? Molar mass 1 into 40 plus 2 into 35.5, which is equals to 40 plus 71, which is equals to how much? Triple one. Yeah, 111 gram per moles. Now, understanding? And what is the given mass? What is the given mass, everybody? 222. Understanding? So the number of moles is equals to given mass divided by molar mass. Given mass is 200 and 222. Molar mass is 111. So can you tell me how many moles, guys? How many moles, guys? Nobody answer. How many moles? 2 moles. Understand all of you? Please respond, guys. Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now they are asking, see that total number of ions obtaining. So they are asking cations plus anions, both. So now if you notice it, every molecule, how many calcium ions are there? Every molecule, how many calcium ions are there? Every molecule, how many calcium ions is there? That is I am asking. Everyone? How many calcium ions are there? Every molecule. 1 calcium ion. And how many chlorine ions are there? Every molecule. 2 chlorine ions. So they're asking total. So total ions is equals to, so total number of moles. How many number of moles? Total moles. Total moles, how many moles? How many moles, guys? Total 2 moles. So 2 moles means every molecule contain 1 calcium and 2 chlorines. So total ions is what? Ca2 plus Cl minus. So Ca2 plus how many are there? 2 moles they are having. Number of actually. So 2 moles of CaCl2 will gives you how much it is. You can see is 2 moles of Ca2 plus ions into 6.022 into 10 power 23 plus each molecule contain how many chlorine atoms? Each molecule contains how many chlorine atoms? Everybody. Yes, please speak, guys. How many chlorine atoms? 2 chlorine atoms. So 2 times of 2 moles into 6.022 into 10 power 23. So that is what it is. So 2 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 plus